Friends, whenever we mention this universe, many questions start roaming in our mind, like how our universe was made, how big it will be, and what is it that this universe has hidden inside it even today. So friends, this universe has buried many terrible secrets inside it, but the most terrifying one we have seen is the black hole, a dark place from where there is no way to return. We get to hear many stories about black holes, like there is a way to another universe, that is, after going into the black hole, we will reach a universe where a different kind of life survives which is beyond time, that is, there will be no time there and death will never come, and some people even believe that black holes are the way to reach God. But friends, all this is just in people's minds. It is difficult to know whether black holes give death or a new life. To find answers to such questions, man started studying the universe, and when man read the universe, his intelligence was also stunned. So in today's video, we will discuss in detail about the most dangerous thing in the universe, black holes. So the video will be very interesting, so keep watching it till the end. So friends, if we talk about black holes, then black holes are a place where there is the darkest part of the universe. No thing can escape from that darkness, not even light. Light definitely goes inside the black hole but does not come back from there, because black holes swallow even light, and due to their dark form, they are called black holes. So if we say in simple words, the greatest gravity of this universe is found inside a black hole. Its gravity pulls everything that comes in its grip, and when anything goes inside a black hole, it never comes back. That is why a black hole is called the point of no return, that is, a path from where there is no return, or a dark night which has no morning. After going into a black hole, no physics works, even Newton's laws of gravity fail inside a black hole. That is, a black hole is a terrifying and mysterious face of our universe which is not at all easy to understand. So this is the praise of a black hole. What is a black hole? Now, if we want to understand a black hole more, we will have to find answers to some questions like how a black hole is formed, what will happen if our Earth falls into a black hole, and if our Sun itself becomes a black hole, what will happen to our solar system. By finding answers to some questions, we can understand. Now you will find out what a black hole is. So, without wasting time, let us start the countdown of our questions. Question number 10. How is a black hole formed? To find the answer to this question, we will have to go back 100 years, i.e., to the 20th century, because people of the 20th century thought that there is no such thing as a black hole. For them, all this was just like stories. In 1916, there was a scientist named Karl Schwarzschild. He used Einstein's general theory of relativity to say that if we compress the size of any object too much, then that object will become a black hole. Now you must be knowing that when we compress any object, its size becomes smaller. So, according to Sir Schwarzschild, whenever we compress any mass too much, it will become a black hole, i.e., if the size of our Earth is made very small, then our Earth will also become a black hole. Well, at that time, this theory was considered a joke, but when 1971 came, this theory became a reality. Because in 1971 she became a scientist. Saw the first black hole of this universe, after seeing which it was found that it was highly compressed. That black hole was 6,000 light-years away from our Earth, and if you do not know about light-year, then let me tell you that 1 light-year means where the light takes 1 year to reach. That is, if it takes 1 year for sunlight to reach a planet, then it means that planet is 1 light-year away from the Sun. So the black hole that was first discovered was 6,000 light-years away from our Earth. That is, if light is sent from our Earth to that black hole, then that light will take 6,000 years to reach there, and we know very well that light is the fastest thing in this universe. Question number 9. How many types of black holes are there? So friends, from 1971 till now scientists have seen many black holes, in which they have seen 4 types of black holes till now: miniature black holes, stellar black holes, intermediate black holes and supermassive black holes. Now if we talk about miniature black holes, then this black hole is very small. According to an estimate, the size of this black hole is just like a single atom, but still it is so powerful that it can easily swallow a big mountain. The age of these small black holes is almost the age of this universe, so scientists believe that these small black holes were probably formed immediately after the Big Bang, when space must have scattered some of its pieces here and there. After miniature black holes come stellar black holes, whose size can be 10 to 15 times or even 20 times bigger than our Sun. These black holes are formed after supernova, and supernova occurs when a very big star dies. This star can be at least 25 times bigger than our Sun, and when it dies, it explodes. Its explosion spreads so much light that it is bigger than the Sun. The light of a star is billions of trillions of times more than the light of a galaxy, and so much high energy is released from inside it that its light remains in a galaxy for many weeks. This process of star dying is called supernova, and after supernova a stellar black hole is formed. Now number 3 comes intermediate black hole. These black holes are formed when many stellar black holes merge with each other and form a big black hole, and now the most dangerous and the biggest black hole is a supermassive black hole. This black hole is so big that its size is billions of trillions of times more than our Sun. This black hole is present at the very center of every galaxy, and it is so big that humans cannot even guess it, and one such black hole is present at the very center of our Milky Way galaxy, whose name is Sagittarius A star. The size of Sagittarius A star is more than 4 million, i.e. 40 lakh times bigger than our Sun, and these supermassive black holes were formed when the galaxy was formed. Question number 8. What will happen if you fall into a black hole? If you go inside, the answer is that the maximum gravity in the universe is found inside a black hole. It absorbs everything inside it in such a large quantity that it cannot be absorbed in anything. Gravitational force pulls something so that either that thing explodes or it gets stretched a lot, i.e. if you go inside a black hole then you will become elongated and become a noodle, and when you are a little away from the black hole then you will feel the time delay effect. For example, if you reach near a black hole and make a video call to a friend who is on Earth at that time, then you will see your friend moving very fast, but at the same time you will see him moving very slowly, which is very scary to hear. Although this has not happened to anyone till date because black holes are so far away that forget about humans, even light will take thousands of years to reach there. But friends, many scientists have seen black holes tearing big stars. They go out of those stars and also destroy their light. Question number 7. If black holes are black and there is a lot of darkness in them, then how are they visible? So friend, the answer to this is that black holes are invisible. They are not visible at all. There is only one way to see them, and that is the accretion disk around them, which is formed when black holes swallow many stars. Then the remaining dust and gases of those stars start hovering around the black hole. Friends, there is accretion disk around the black hole. Crisis disk, but the part inside the black hole which is completely dark is called event horizon, through which one cannot see, and anything that goes there does not come back. It is like a blind well. Question number 6. What will happen if our Sun becomes a black hole? Will it destroy our solar system? The answer is that the Sun can never become a black hole because the Sun is a very small star and it does not have enough energy to create a black hole. When the life of the Sun will be complete after 5 billion years, then our Sun will turn red and it will become a red giant star, and then finally our Sun will become a white star and will become absolutely cold. But even then we assume that our Sun has become a black hole. Then friends, this will not affect our solar system. All the planets will start revolving around that black hole as they revolve around the Sun, but then the problem will be that we will not get sunlight, due to which life on our Earth will end. Question number 5. If black holes are so dangerous that they can create a black hole around them, then our solar system will not be affected by this. If we do not leave anything, can it ever happen that black holes will destroy our body?